Lesson 118, combinations. So combinations is just grouping of items when order does not matter. So here's an example. A teacher puts 4 essay questions on a test. And they're labeled A, B, C, and D. Students must choose 3 to answer. So right now, the way that we have done things is with permutations, where we would do, say, permutations of 4 items, chosen 3 at a time. And we would take our 4 factorial and divide it by 4 minus 3 factorial. But order doesn't matter. So now we need to look at our combinations instead of permutations. This is going to give us 4 factorial, which is 24 different ways. But the reason why order doesn't matter is because if you answer questions A, B, and C, it's the same. Questions A, B, C is the same as B, C, A. So what we're going to do is we're going to list all the combinations and then cross out the duplicates. So I'm going to start with A, and we can have B, C, and then we could do A, B, D. And then we could do A, C, B, and A, C, D. And then we could do A, D, B, and A, D, C. Then we'll start with B. So we could do B, D, C, B, A, C, B, A, D, B, C, A, B, C, D, B, D, A. Then we're going to start with C. So we can have C, A, B, C, A, D, C, B, A, C, B, D, C, D, A, and C, D, B. And then we're going to start with D. So we have D, A, B, D, A, C, D, B, A, D, whoops, I wanted to do B, C. Well, we'll just do D, C, B. We'll do B, C right here and C, B last. So D, B, C, D, C, A, and then D, C, B. Okay, so we have A, B, C. So we want to cancel out all the other ones that have an A, a B, and a C in it. So this one, A, B, C, that one, A, B, C, and those all have D, so they won't have A, just A, B, C. Okay, then we have A, B, D. So any with A, B, and D in it, we're going to cancel out. A, B, D, A, B, D. Oh, there's an A, B, C. My pen is going out. I need a new pen. Okay, so here's an A, B, C we didn't get. We're looking for A, B, D. A, B, D. A. Oh, this has a C in it. So we need A, B, D. A, B, D. Oh, here's an ABC. Oh my goodness, they're hard to find. Okay. Then we're going to look at A, C, D. Okay, so then this one's canceled out. Any with A, C, D. There's one. A, C, D. A, C, D. A, C, D. Okay, now we got B, D, C. So we're going to cancel that one out. B, D, C. B, D, C. B, D, C, and B. Oh, wow. So there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 combinations that we can use. Now there is a formula that we have for combinations, and that's when we'll use this when order doesn't matter. So it's combinations of n items chosen r at a time. In our case it was 4, choose 3. We have n factorial divided by r factorial times n minus r factorial. So remember up here when we had 24, if we divide it by 3 factorial, which is 6, we'll get our 4 combos. So you can just use this formula if you want. So here's an example, and we can use the formula this time instead of trying to list them all out. It's really nice when you have a lot to choose from. So here's our example. We have a salad bar, and it has 20 types of food. So you could put any of these 20 types on your salad. Now each customer can choose 15. How many possible combinations are there? So we're going to take the combination of 20 choose 15, and we'll plug it into our formula. So that's 20 factorial divided by 15 factorial divided by, or also divided by 20 minus 15 factorial. And that is going to be 15,504 different combinations. And that's the end of the lesson.